Someone asked, is it risky to import accident repaired cars from Japan to Kenya? And my answer is yes and no. I say both yes and no because it will heavily depend on the type of accident the car was involved in. Let me break it down for you, and I also show you examples. There are two types of accidents, a minor accident and a major accident. A minor accident is one that does not compromise on the structural and mechanical integrity of the car, and when a car is involved in such an accident, chassis na powertrain hazikwangi affected. Examples include a scratch on the side, ama iliangukiwa na kitu, ama windscreen will crack, or it got a minor hit or collision. A major accident ni ile yenye the powertrain was affected or even the structural integrity of the vehicle ilikuwa compromised. Hapo ndo nasikianga the engine and the gearbox libidi zikuwe repaired. So how do I know the differences between the two? Very simple, an auction sheet. Kwa auction sheet kuna kwanga na skeleton ya gari imechorwa, and that skeleton shows you the condition of each part of the car. Kama gari inakuwa rated as R, inamaanisha it was involved in an accident and it is repaired. Na hiyo skeleton ya gari inaonyesha exactly which part has been replaced or repaired. Most accident vehicles inakuanga na repairs so well executed, hata ukiangalia gari na macho hivi you cannot tell ilikuwa ya ajali. In some cases it's just body panels ndio zilikuwa replaced or repaired, and such cars are safe to import. Body panels ni vitu kama side fenders, milango, boot doors, etc. The cars that become risky to import ni zile zenye ni za major accident and they are not repaired, or if it is repaired, mostly in a double X kwa engine bay area. Those are the cars that carry a bigger risk. Let me give two live examples hapa. So example number one, we have this 2018 Toyota Harrier. You can see iko rated grade R, and the body panels replaced ni, you can see the double X ziko kwa hood, the engine bay, and the front left or the front right fender. So that means it is this part that was affected. So inamaanisha hii gari inaweza kuwa involved in a major accident and the engine was affected. So in this case, this vehicle becomes a risky one to import because you cannot tell the extent of the damage of the vehicle on the engine ama the gearbox. And in this case, this is one of the vehicles you try and avoid because you cannot tell the extent of the damage yenye kwa engine. And then you have this another Harrier. This is a 2018 model as well. You can see it is rated grade R, and the body panel yenye imekuwa replaced ni mlango ya boot. So that means this vehicle was rear-ended and the rear side of the vehicle was affected. As you can see, the repair on it is well executed. Huwezi jua ni gari ya ajali. This one is a much safer vehicle to import ama to buy because you can tell it is only the door ya boot ndio ilikuwa affected na imekuwa replaced iko sawa. So this one becomes a safe vehicle to import. If you check in our previous example, ukiangalia gari yenyewe iko, the repair is so well executed that you cannot tell it was an accident vehicle. So the only way you can tell it was an accident vehicle is when you look at the auction sheet. But my question is this, all accident repaired vehicles hukuwa na some level of risk involved. So ni bahati yako uangukie gari iko poa. The good thing with these cars is they are ridiculously cheap. Na hizo ndio magari zimejaa kwa dealerships huko Nairobi and Mombasa. Mnauziwa na market prices. All in all, be cautious and safe in your car purchases. That's why pre-purchase inspection is important, na pia kuulizia auction sheets of the cars mnanunua kwa dealership ni poa. Brian here, your favorite car plug for cars in Mombasa and Nairobi, or through direct imports. Adios.